Welcome to 18 Denniston Crescent. Time just feels like it's gone so fast on these projects because the programs are so compressed. We're putting these houses together faster, doing it better in a safer way, and in no time there's going to be 3 more families moving into healthy, new, warmer homes. We're just about to finish off with the exterior painting. And obviously doing the fit off on the inside, and then we're going to start with the hard surface, and that's the bulk of the works that we're doing here. And these houses will be ready in no time to hand the keys over to the new owners. Come and have a look.